Okay, so hello everybody. In this video today, I am unboxing this DJI, so the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. So I bought this little action camera about a couple days ago, and I haven't been didn't get a chance to unbox it, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Open that. And just to see what's in the box. So take that out. Okay, so what we have here, see what's in the box. So here we go, guys. This is I just want to go over all the stuff that came in the box. So what we have here is the actual camera itself, and on the side of the camera you have on and off button, and on the top there is this is push to start button. So this is the button, obviously, what you use to start recording. And also there's a rubber ring that goes around the camera. So you just slip it on like that. And I believe this is the battery holder here. Yeah, that's what it is. And on the other side, I believe this is the USB-C, well, Type-C port for charging, and also to connect to your laptop or desktop. So that's what on the camera here. And then we have the magnet quick latch that you just slap it on like that, and then you just pop it off. Also, we have a quick release screw, and also the base. So this is what you put on your helmet. So if you want to mount the camera on the top, and also USB Type-C cable, and also some stickers, and the battery, and also the protective cage itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and set that up. I'm just going to put the first thing first. I want to put the battery in. I've got to put the battery in. Make sure that is sit in firm, tight. Then I'm going to slip it into the cage, and at the top here you have this little quick release latch here. It snaps, so it holds the camera firmly. And also this magnet here can mount on the cage on the side, so you can do like that. That works. So I'm gonna go ahead and power the camera on. and gonna go over some stuff here. So now content to DJ mini Mimo confirm change settings and back screen. Oh, I forgot that you have a back screen here. So up, confirm. So now I'm gonna go ahead and set the date and time. That time here. Just gonna go ahead and set this up. Oh, that is very loud. Got to make sure that and it is very late here, but I decided to do this video to because start. So now that the time and the date and time is set, so it says press 1 down, and there you go. It's actually on. And side to side. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in the settings here and see. You have the video settings here, battery. So tap to adjust. And then that there. It's pretty cool. I like it. It looks very cool. So it has a front screen here and also a back screen. So that's pretty cool. I think it's just giving me a preview of a video that I took earlier. And press that button started recording. Wow, this quality is very clean. Nice. Okay. And then in the back here, you just slide across and it gives you the different options. So I'm going to slide across. I go over to video, super night, subject tracking, slow motion, time lapse. Ooh, time lapse is, can't wait to play with that. So there are lots of different features in here to play with that I will explain later on. And right now I am just trying to get it set up, and then later on I'm gonna take it out to try it out to see just like the quality and stuff and all of that. So hope you enjoyed this video. Bye for now.